Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. In today's video, I would like to share with you an advanced Excel on Countif with array criteria. The requirement for this exercise is to search for codes in various columns based on specific criteria. In the previous video, I explained how the Countif function works. You can review it to have a better understanding of counting with array criteria. This exercise is an advanced version of the previous one. We will have three tasks. Start 1 files code tasks are in both list 1 and list 2. Files code in list 1 tasks are lost in list 2. File codes in list 2 tasks are lost in list 1. The final result will be the solution to their problem. As you see, this is the result after you finished input formula. Now, let's proceed with the step and explanation for this exercise. First of all, you download file I put in the description below. You have this file. For the first start, finding codes in both list 1 and list 2. You need to use the Countif function try and an array. The first time is to find values that match, and the second time is to compare and exclude the value returned. In D2, you can enter the following formula: equal index open parenthesis. You select range from B4 to B184. You see? You press F4 to lock this range, comma, must, open parenthesis, 1, comma, index, open parenthesis, Countif, open parenthesis. You select range from B4 to B184. Press F4 to lock this range, comma, you select range from A4 until finished A84. Okay. Also press F4 to lock this range. Close parenthesis. Count is more than 0. Close parenthesis. Multiply, open parenthesis, Countif, open parenthesis, D3, colon, D3. You select first D3 and press F4 to lock, comma, select range from B4 to B184. Press F4, close parenthesis, equal 0, close parenthesis, comma, 0, close parenthesis, comma, 0, close parenthesis. You press enter and you see first result also in cell. You copy formula to below. Reach to here. Okay, you can see NA in cell. To make it clear, you input if error, open parenthesis, go to the end, comma, double quotation mark, close parenthesis, enter. Double click to copy formula to below, and you see now all NA equal high. With the first Countif, we use more than 0 because when counting values in the range B4 to B184, there will be value greater than 1. And you see, I select and press apply. So setting more than 0 allow us to convert the array to 0 and 1 to satisfy with the condition for finding math formula. Okay. Like this, I will show to you. You see, only true 4, it means 0 and 1. Similarly, with Countif 2, we will equal 0 to meet the condition for searching with math formula. We use the multiplication sign because the Countif condition must occur simultaneously. Okay, we done the first task. Moving on to the second task, finding codes in list 1 that are lost in list 2. Moving on to the second task, finding codes in list 1 that are lost in list 2. We will list two Countif functions. Countif 1 to find value in list 1 that are lost in list 2. Countif 2 is to compare and include the value returned as one formula to eliminate blank rows in the result column. In cell E4, input equal index open parenthesis A4 and then A84. You press F4 to lock this string. Okay, comma must open parenthesis once, comma index open parenthesis Countif open parenthesis B4 to B184. Press F4 to lock, commas A4 to A84. Lock the string. Close parenthesis equal 0. Close parenthesis multiplies open parenthesis Countif open parenthesis E3 colon E3. Lock the first E3 by select and press F4, comma A4 to A84. Close parenthesis equal 0. Close parenthesis multiplies open parenthesis A4 to A84. Okay, press F4 to lock. Is lost equal double quotation mark close parenthesis, comma 0 close parenthesis, comma close 0 close parenthesis, comma 0 close parenthesis. You press enter. Okay, copy formula to below. Ctrl D. To hide an you input if error, comma double quotation mark close parenthesis enter. Double click to copy formula to below. And you see the second task is finished. So all the values in list 1 that are lost in list 2. For the third task, finding codes in list 2 that are lost in list 1. We follow a similar approach, but here we only list two Countif functions. Countif 1 to find codes in list 2 that are lost in list 1. And Countif 2 to compare and exclude the value returned. In F4 equal if errors open parenthesis. I will use if error from begin. Index open parenthesis B4 to B184. Press F4 to lock, comma math open parenthesis 1, comma index open parenthesis Countif open parenthesis A4 to A84. Press F4 to lock, comma B4 to B184. Press F4 to lock, close parenthesis equal 0, close parenthesis multiply, open parenthesis, Countif, open parenthesis, F3, colon, F3. You log the first F3, comma, before to be 184. Press F4 to log. Close parenthesis equal 0, close parenthesis, comma, 0, close parenthesis, comma, 0, close parenthesis, comma, 0, close parenthesis, comma, double quotation mark, close parenthesis, enter. To copy formula to below. Ctrl D. Okay, I done to restart. It's quite hard, so I think you need to watch carefully and practice many times to can understand all about Countif in this exercise. Okay, so we have accomplished processing the request present by the problem. This is an advanced problem with many practical applications. I encourage everyone to practice multiply times to be familiar with this function. I hope this helps you understand and tackle this exercise. If you have any question, please comment in below. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.